I'm Lee, and I was going to show you how to install carpet on steps. Now, the first thing you want to know is that you have to lay each individual step itself. If you lay one long piece, then it's going to come undone within a year, more or less. What you want to do first is you want to measure the area just from the base all the way out to the edge, and then from the bottom base all the way up to the top of the padding. You lay it out on the back of a piece of carpet and cut it like I've done on this piece right here. And then you're ready to install it, more or less. You want to make sure to short it by about 1/4 of an inch. Be about 1/4 of an inch, more or less. And you want to short the part that goes over the step because of the padding. And you will pull that in when you go around the padding. And then you want to take a piece of carpet like this and lay it over to make sure that it fits. It should be a little bit big because you have to tuck it behind the piece of carpet on the lower step.